Hi guys, welcome to my introduction. My name is Sarajin F. Mangubat. I am a freshman at the Northern Marianas College. I'm 18 years old. I live in CK. My family, I have 5 family members, 2 older brothers, and 1 mom and 1 pa, and me. I have a lot of pets. I have 5 cats, 2 ducks, and 3 dogs. I love them. Some hobbies that I have are either doing art, studying art, or just enjoying it in a general sense. Another hobby that I like to do would be reading, but I haven't been doing that as of late since I've been concentrating on art. And I guess that's okay, I suppose. My aspirations in life are to become an artist, to have a job where I can create art, and that could be my full-time job. It seems like a stretch, but maybe I can do it, you know? Another thing that I like to do is either listen or create puns. So, to further bond with each other, I'm going to tell one story of how I made this one pun. I think it was my first pun, and I still love it to this day. So, at the time I was a sophomore at my high school. I was the secretary for my art club as well. And during the time, it was December, so most of us were getting sick. I had a cold, I think, but I wasn't really sure. And we were making snowmanograms. And at the time, our advisor, the art teacher's girlfriend was there. And me in my delirious, half sick, half not really sick, runny nose state of mind, I tried to tell her the story, the pun, and I did. But the moment I got to the punchline, I just started wheezing and laughing at my own joke. It got to the point where I was red and I couldn't breathe. I had to gasp in air, but I was still laughing. And I threw my head back and all that jazz, and I threw my head down because it was just so good. And all my friends were just telling me to calm down. And the pun that I said, I thought this up while showering, and then a couple of other puns. The pun was so a guy with a cold goes into a cafe shop, but he covers his mouth. Why does he cover his mouth? Because he doesn't want to pay the coffee. It's so good. I still love it. Okay. Thanks for listening. Tell me what you thought of my introduction. And see you tomorrow, I guess. Bye.